You know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change.
Do you have CEREC in your practice and really want to learn more? We're running a CEREC Fundamentals course, which will give you insights on the CEREC algorithm. The key points of this course are understanding of the CEREC algorithm. So we want to immerse you into the different possibilities of the various restorations that you can make with CEREC. Also, we want to simplify it, and this occurs only if you know and understand restoration preparation. Tooth preparation is key, and you can fast track the designing process, which will actually help you make really robust restorations and also ensure the other people in your practice can actually finish and craft the rest of the crown. So there's a huge number of materials available for you to actually select and use when you're using CERECs. But understanding these materials is quite complex. So our course will actually simplify this and make you realize what would be the best material for practical applications in real life clinical scenarios. And this will ensure that your results are predictable. Thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.